Good Sunday morning. Think about the mindset of St. Paul in the second letter to the Thessalonians. In toil and drudgery, I worked for what I ate. How do you look at your life and how you earn what you eat? Where are you? Is your work toil and drudgery? If it is, you need to re-examine, because while work can be very difficult, that sense of drudgery means that you're dragging along, that you're not fully at peace with what you're doing, that there's a certain amount of uncomfortableness as you approach work every day. Work is a necessity for most people, and we should bring some attitude of restfulness or a sense of peace with us to our workplace. If you're working from home or if you're going out to work, be careful that those two little words don't possess your soul. My work is toil and drudgery. No, it must be a place where you find fulfillment.